Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to remove the nylon of your watch, and this doesn't just apply to the QW33 smartwatch, it actually applies to a whole lot of watches. So there's most times whenever you buy your watch it usually has this kind of nylon, so you find yourself struggling to actually remove this nylon, and if you really know how to remove it you would see that it's actually quite easy. So what you need to do is just look under the watch. Usually, most times, the nylon actually ends there, but you just need to be patient enough to look at it. Do you understand? So you just look at it for this watch. I think it's ending somewhere around here. Okay. Okay. So just check it out to see where it ends. So it ends at the other side. So what you just need to do is just be careful with it and just unwrap it from there. So that's what I'm about to do. So I've seen it. So I want to unwrap it. So all I need to do is just pull it. So you just pull it. In the past, I've used knives to actually do this, whereas I didn't just know what. So you can see, and I'm good. So the same thing applies to the other side. So you just need to look at it. Do you understand? So just check under it. Usually ends under it. So I think it's here. Okay, that's it. You can see. So that's it. So once you unwrap it, it just becomes easy as pie, and that's all. So thanks and have a wonderful day.